Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate total hours worked minus lunch in Excel. So for us to get this done, we're going to head over here to what we're working with right now so you can see the login time, lunch start, lunch end, and then log out time. So here we have an example in number one. Just go ahead and type here equals, and then we're just subtracting, open parenthesis, subtracting the logout time and the login time. So just a moment. We're gonna head over, type minus. Let's edit, delete that back, and then add minus login time. All right, and then we're gonna subtract the lunch hour. So we start at the end minus lunch start. And there you go. So you can see that now this is just showing 8 hours of work. Now let's go ahead and try to copy the entire formula to the other cells. And this is how many hours they've been working for that particular date of time. Now, if say for example, it's showing you like AM or PM or some other things, you can definitely format it. Click format, format cells, and then in the number, custom, choose just hours and minutes. Okay, head over and hit OK, and then you should be able to get this one. So yeah, that is the total working hours of everyone in the company.